Excuse me, I have a problem.
What problem do you have?
I can't speak English fluently.
Have you been practicing?
I practice, but it's hard for me to speak confidently.
How long have you been practicing?
I have been practicing for a month now.
Building confidence takes time.
How long does it take?
It can take several months.
Oh, I see.
How long do you practice every day?
I practice for an hour every day.
Do you have someone to practice English with?
Not really. I practice alone.
How do you practice?
I simply watch your channel.
Oh, now I see the problem.
What problem?
The problem is you are not practicing speaking.
What do you mean?
If you want to speak fluently, you need to practice speaking.
So how do I practice speaking?
The first step is to listen and repeat what you hear.
Okay, I need to listen and then say it out loud.
Exactly.
Thanks.